If you're going through heartbreak, do not believe everything you think. The phase that comes right after a breakup is like an illusion. You're watching your old beliefs play out in front of you. What you thought was real is not, and the future you dreamed of is probably shattered. And that is a lot for your body and your brain. And what happens is your brain will do anything to go back to what's familiar, because the thing about our brain, as amazing and as incredible as it is it actually hates change, which is funny because neuroscience has shown that it's so flexible and so capable of change, and yet it hates it. So the moment after a breakup, your brain is going to do one thing and one thing only: survive. And all these changes and new thoughts and feelings and emotions is actually really incredibly uncomfortable for the brain. The good news is you are not just your brain, right? You are not just your body, and you're definitely not your thoughts. There's something deeper within you. There's an awareness. There's a part of you that knows better. So when you're in this phase, I encourage you to just observe what you're thinking. And when your brain tells you that that person that you broke up with was your soulmate and you have to get them back, just pause for a moment. And I'm not saying you cannot get them back, because to be fair, you can literally have anyone that you desire. But in that moment, you can have enough compassion for yourself to just witness that. You don't have to do anything about it. Just because the thoughts exist doesn't mean you have to take action on it. And the first 30 days of heartbreak, to me, is crucial, because this is when your body is going through all of these massive changes and you're teaching it, essentially, how to sit with that discomfort. And if you find it increasingly difficult, please try EFT tapping. I have a 30-day tapping course to heal heartbreak, and trust me, I know it sounds crazy, but in just 15 days, you will have a renewed sense of self. Inside this program, we're tapping on everything from obsessing over your specific person to releasing anger and sadness, and finally to feel worthy of healthy and incredible love. And there's a free tapping meditation as well that you can try. Just go to the link at the top of my page for that. But I would love for you to join the 30-day tapping journey to heal your heartbreak. And when you get in, you also get access to my Magnetic Goddess bundle. This is an entirely separate course that you get for free when you sign up to Healing Heartbreak. The value is insane, so it would actually be crazy if you didn't get in. All right, thanks for watching. As always, ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.